Hey everyone, this video is a quick video to fix Windows Boot Camp when using Intel Mac. So if we try to restart an OS X, this is after the first time of installing Windows Boot Camp, by the way, you can see could not locate the OS X boot volume. So if we go to the Boot Camp control panel, we can also see that a hard drive or partition is not listed here for macOS. So to fix this, we're going to type Apple Software Update. We'll let us check for the new software. Go ahead and install everything that is auto checked. And I'm going to speed up this section. Once installation is complete, make sure to click yes to restart now. That way the update takes effect. Now with the system updated, let's take a look at our Boot Camp control panel. And now we have a macOS hard drive or partition showing. So to restart into macOS, we're going to click Restart. And your computer will start up using macOS on Mac. Once you click OK, you will restart into your Mac operating system.